Hi there everyone, what's up? Here I am going to make a new component on the V12 engine, modeled in Inventor. As you can see in the last episode, we modeled the oil tank. As you can see, the fusion follower, we didn't do this, okay, but you can see the episode when I make the cylinder block, and you can make the same thing on fusion if you like it. Here I want to make the camshaft wheel here. All the parameter I calculated on separate sheet, okay. We will add after that a crankshaft wheel here and another pinion here, because I want to make a chain between all these wheels. What you have to do is to start new component here or new part, standard, and create. I will choose here sketch, XY plane, correspond to the front view, and I can start with circle here. You can press Ctrl, Alt or Shift plus C to have circle. What you have here is to add a diameter of 79. Okay, finish your sketch, go to extrude it with 5 and click OK. Now I will cut material here using the choose this surface, new sketch. You can choose here a rectangle, but when you click on this button you will find the rectangle 2 point center. I will make this one 13. Use tab to change to this one, 13 and 13. You have this one, it's fully defined, as you can see here, fully constrained. And I want to add here a chamfer that I can do in fusion, but you can use this one, okay, and add chamfer in the feature in 3D model, as you can see here, fillet or chamfer here, okay. So return to the sketch. I think we have an option here to make fillet or chamfer in the interior of the sketch. When you click here, make sure that it's 2 and here equal, and you can select the two of them. The same thing here, repeat this one in each corner, and you have a function here with 2 mm. Click OK. Extrude. Change the direction here. Flip the direction. Okay, as you can see, Inventor understand that it's a cut. Then click OK. Now, as you can see, you have this one, this reference here. You have just to rotate your model like this, the Z-axis in this direction, and select the surface. Add a new sketch. Press circle here to have a circle with 25 diameter. Okay, that's okay. Let's try to select only this surface by doing finish sketch and extrude. Let's see if we can select only this one. As you can see, I can't select it. Okay, I can select it. That in Fusion it works, but here what you have to do is to edit your sketch, and all of this one you have to project it by using project. Okay, you can project it like this one. I think there are another method to project all the edges. Now when you click on Extrude, as you can see, you have probably a method to select only this zone. You can put here 10, and let's add a fillet here with 10 also in the radius. Click OK. Now let's add here slot, 3 circular slot. Select this one, make sure that you are in this view. Okay, add the sketch, and let's see if we can find here slot. Rectangle. In the rectangle, okay, you have slot. The slot we would use center point arc slot. Let's click here and make sure you are vertical, and add another point here. Okay, now let's add some dimension. Here you have 25, have 5 here, and I want to add give me that, but it's not that's what I want. To add an angle here, I will select this one, and this one. Doesn't work. Let's try like this. It doesn't work. Okay, what I suggest to do is to add a line here between these points, as you can see, and convert it using this button here for construction, and add an angle between these two lines. We have 60 here. It's okay like that. You can select all of these and make circular pattern. Here you can select axis here and put 3. As you can see the geometry, I forgot to select this one. Let's put 3 here. It's okay like that. Click OK, and as you can see, you can go to Extrude and select the 3 of them, change the direction. You can, if you want, that make through all, and OK. Another thing to do is to select this surface and add another circle here with 17 diameter, and extrude it other direction by 0 point. Sorry for the sound. Okay, and now you have to use some geometry here. I will select this surface and I will add to make the teeth of the wheel. Okay, to do that I will use circle here, another circle. You will understand why I am doing that right now. Okay, and use L to draw a line between all these points. Okay, you can convert all these points, all these line to construction and make this one equal to this one using here equal. Okay, the distance here we have 38 and here the diameter of this one we have 4.5, and as you can see this one is fully defined, and make this one equal to this one using this constraint. Okay, we have only to add an angle here with 9. All these calc I did it by using engineering method to find the number of the teeth with the relation of the radius or diameter and an angle. Okay, what you have to do here is to make this circle and this one tangent, the same thing this one and this one, and convert all of these to construction as you can see here. Okay, and I will create another here using a mirror. I will select all of these. Okay, and you will find here mirror, use here mirror line, apply, and as you can see you have the same thing in the other direction. Make sure that you have here the distance. As you can see, you can add distance here to verify. We have 5.96. you can add it. Okay, just accept it. Okay, to see if you have the same distance here, because when we make the repetition of this one you will have another circle here and the same in the chain. Okay, because the chain it will be here the same distance. Okay, what I have to do is to add another arcs here to make this one available to cut material with it. Okay, as you can see, and if you want to do that, go to arc and you can choose here center arc here, and let's start from this one, as you can see, and let's start from this, okay, to this one. As you can see, the same thing here. Let's starting from here to here. It's amazing with Inventor to do that more than Fusion and SolidWorks drawing arcs. Okay, now you have a profile. If you want to delete this one, go for it, but I want to leave it like that. You can use the same sketch to do other with, but in my tutorial I prefer to repeat the same thing as you can understand what I'm doing. finish your sketch, go to Extrude, select all of this zone. As you can see, change the direction and make sure that 2 or for all you can choose this one also, but for me we try to make this one. Okay, we click on OK. Now you have just to repeat it using the pattern here, circular pattern. I select the feature. You have just to select rotation axis. You can select something circular or an axis if you want. You can show here axis, I think. Yeah, we have axis here, but you can select circular geometry. Okay, the number here we have 40. As you can see, we have the preview. Click OK. As you can see here, we have nice result. Okay, let's go ahead to add the last step here is to add holes, because I will use the cover here. Okay, what I want to do is to select this one. I will add marker here to find the number of rotation of the rotation of the camshaft with the crankshaft. We have 15 here. The diameter 3.5, and let's add holes for we have 1.5 here, and the distance from the center we have 33. Okay, make sure that these center are vertical by using this one vertical, and use this one and this one to make sure that it's horizontal. Now you have just to repeat this one, select it and go to circular. It's not a circular feature, it's a circular pattern on the sketch. Now you can select this point. You have 6 here, it's okay. Click OK. Finish your sketch. Make extrude. Because we have many circles, you can select profile one by one. I don't have another method to select all of these points. Okay, then change the direction and make through all. As you can see here, all thing is alright. If you want to add material here, go to generic and make it for aluminum, as you can see here, and you can save your file. Put here the name of camshaft, but it's not the camshaft wheel. Okay, as you can see here, save your file and let's make an assembly. Once you're saving your file, let's go ahead and open up the assembly. Let's place let's look for camshaft. It's not a good name, but it's not a problem. I can do this one. I will close it and insert camshaft. Where is it, the camshaft? The camshaft, I will remove camshaft. It's okay like that, and you can open it. You can leave it here. We will use 2 of them, maybe 4 when we add an assembly of the camshaft in the left side. Okay, now what you have to do is go ahead and make constraint, select this one. I want this surface with this surface. Okay, apply, and this surface with this surface. I think it's not okay. Yeah, it's not okay. Use this one. Okay, second one. Okay, apply, and the last one is to select this surface with rotate your model like that, and if you want you can isolate this one. Okay, as you can see, it's good like that. Now let's add another surface here. It's not okay. Let's make it like that. Apply this surface with this surface. It's not okay. Just make it like that. Apply the same thing here. Okay, and here. Okay, cancel. And as you can see here, when I rotate this one, I have the camshaft came with it. And now next tutorial, maybe I will add the pinion here, and maybe the pinion of the crankshaft. Okay, I will tell you. See you in the next episode to continue working in this amazing V12 engine. You will learn many things, many features, step by step. If you have any question, don't hesitate to post it in the comment, or in private you can send me an email, and you can join the community I created on Facebook. I create a new group. You can join and share what you did there. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode. Cheers.